This is the unboxing of a StewMac G-Style electric guitar kit. Now the reason I'm going to do this video is because I recently purchased this kit and I've thought about purchasing one for a while, but I never knew what really came in it or the quality or anything like that. So, and they were not that cheap really either. This one happened to be on clearance, and so it was like 50% off. So I ended up spending like $205 on it, I think, total. But anyways, I'm going to take it out of the box here and show you what comes in the box in case you're thinking about buying one of these kits, either from StewMac or someplace else, just to see what we get and kind of see what the quality is. And maybe that'll help you make your decision on whether or not you'd want to move forward with buying one of these. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got. Well, we have some instructions on how to put it together, some changes to the instructions, so we'll just slip that in there for now. Let's see what we got over here. Looks like our hardware. We have the pickup, so this kit's supposed to come with everything we need to actually put this guitar together. Of course, that's not really all true, because I think that we have some addressing to do on the neck from what I understand, but at least as far as all the hardware should be there, even though we may not have all the tools. So there's the pick plate, tuning pegs, looks like everything's there. They also give us a set of strings. Imagine that these are meant to, after you get the guitar together, probably setting up the neck and the string height and all that kind of stuff, and then you probably toss these away and put on a string set of choice. But let's get to the good stuff. This is the body. All right, well, there's the body. It's not a bad looking body, I don't think. Right off the bat, I can tell you I'm a little disappointed in the fact that this piece of grain up here doesn't really kind of blend with the rest of the grain on this body. The reason being is because I had hopes of using some stains that I had bought to stain this body so that the grain would show through. Chances are I'll probably end up having to paint it a solid color just because of this such a contrast in the grain. But then again, maybe not. I'll have to give that some thought on what I really want to do. But right off the bat, that would be the disappointment so far, is that difference in grain. But then again, it is a crapshoot, knowing that these are just body blanks you're getting, and also it's part of a guitar kit, so you get what you pay for. Let's take a look at the neck. All right, there's the neck. As you can see, it's already got frets. But like I said, these frets probably would need to be dressed and everything once you get that all set up. But it looks like it's a glue-in for this particular guitar anyways. You can probably glue that right in there. Once you go through that, get that glued in and then finish off the guitar. And that's it. That's what it looks like coming out of the box. There does not appear to be anything else in there. One thing else I noticed, this headstock doesn't appear to be done, which I think is deliberate. It probably gives you the chance to cut your own design up there if you'd like. But overall, the neck looks sharp. I got a little knot in there, but that's all right. So, not bad. Anyways, just wanted to give you a chance to see that. Whether or not I post any videos around putting this thing together will remain to be seen, but I just want to give you a look out of the box of what was there. And I'm sure that, you know, it's not probably the most high-end pickups and tuner pegs and all that kind of stuff, but plastic. But what do you expect for $200, right? Put it together yourself. So hopefully that gives you some idea of what comes in the box for these. And again, this is the StewMac G-Style guitar kit. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching.